In today's videos, I'm about to show the best way to do defocus in Nuke in 1 minute, including for the CGI Render and also for the 2D footage. And I will also talk about the common problem of defocus. Okay, the first one is blur node. If you increase the slider, you will get the blurry image. But for the same saturation, that is really useful, especially if you want to blur for some only area. There is another option called defocus. This one is more accurate in mathematical way than the usual blur node, but you cannot use your own kernel. So what is kernel? Kernel represents a specific photo or specific data. If you want to use your own kernel, connect with the filter pipe. There is no slider to adjust the defocus in the convert node, so you have to adjust the slider by adding transform node. The next one is the defocus. This one is used for the 3D CGI render. So connect your footage and change the focus setup plane for more clear visualization. As you can see in here, red are near to the camera, green are the in focus area, and blue are the farther from the camera. And then choose the mix channel for calculate the location data. And you have to adjust your defocus by using these parameters. After you finish, change back to the reserve. If you want to use your own kernel, yes, of course, you also can. Connect the footage byte with kernel and then change the filter type to the image. Okay, look, right now you will notice the common problem of defocus is that at the edges and at the corner, you will see like defocus are overextend than usual. If you want to know how to solve this problem, click the link in the description and you can also click here, and that is also only 1 minute. All for today, we will see you in the next one.